Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Void AI and Cursor, two AI-powered code editors that claim to make coding faster, smarter, and way more intuitive. Void AI positions itself as a minimalist, distraction-free IDE with built-in AI for autocomplete, explanations, and debugging. It feels lightweight and I liked how you can chat with it right within your editor. The suggestions are surprisingly good for simple tasks but struggle when files or logic get large. It is also ideal for smaller projects, prototypes, or when you just want to write some code without instructions. Now, Cursor is built on top of VS Code. That's a huge plus because you don't lose your toolchain or extensions. The AI capabilities are very advanced also. It can refactor whole files, generate new components, even explain logic line by line. It's like a really smart partner in code. The downside is cost. For bigger context windows or heavier usage, you will need expensive plans. Reddit voices. I didn't find strong public Reddit threads specifically comparing Void AI or Cursors yet. These tools are newer and less widely discussed, but I did find users discussing tools in the no-code. AI dev space praising integration with familiar environments like VS Code as a differentiator, which is exactly what Cursor leverages. If you want something lightweight, simple, and minimal, go with Void AI. If you want serious AI assistant and full editor capability, Cursor is the clear winner. If I were building daily, I would pick Cursor. The blend of power plus familiarity is tough to beat. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.